Hello and welcome back to channel. So today let's see how we can manage documents in Odoo 40. So with Odoo documents, you can easily share, send, categorize and archive scan documents. So you can generate business documents like vendor bills, task, invoices and product sheets for manufacturing. So let's see the features in documents module. So in this documents module, we have a feature that is email gateway. So using the email gateway, bills are created automatically from a scanned document or directly from your vendor bills. And you can collaborate with your teams and clients, that is to assign documents to your colleagues, customers or vendors. So you can share your files or public folders with your clients and let them import documents directly. So here we can see all the documents that is uploaded in this module. So you can see these are the documents that is uploaded in internal workspace. So in this way we can create different workspaces for your documents. So you can see we can group the documents to, that is assign documents to project team, finance team, then we have marketing, you can see products, recruitment. So in this way you can create workspaces and group your documents to that workspace. In the same way as we create workspace, we can also create tags and categorize, that is we can give tags for your documents to identify them. So here we can see some tags like validated. So if you click that, you can see the validated documents, and the same way we have different tag categories here. So you can see status, knowledge, templates. So these are the tag categories. So under that you can see all the tags, created tags. And we can see the documents that has no attachment, that is not attached, and you can see not a file, that is documents that is not a file, and we can see the documents that are tasks. So in this way we can we can see the workspaces tags, and we can also configure more workspaces. Like here we can find option to configure workspaces, create new workspaces. So you can see for this internal workspace some tag categories are given, and we can set company, read and write groups for a workspace. Okay, so these are the access rights. So you can see the categories here and the tags given for category. And we can provide a small description for the workspace, for what purpose that workspace is created. So you can see this is used to keep track of our internal documents. So incoming letters sent to inbox areas will be added to your inbox automatically. Okay, so you can see the related documents and actions. Then we can also configure tags and tags categories. Then we can see the shares and emails. So we can see there are 3 shares or 3 email shares. You can see here. Then here we can find spreadsheet templates. You can create a spreadsheet template here. So for this you can create new spreadsheet or edit it or make a copy of the spreadsheet. So you can make use of this template, spreadsheet template, to generate spreadsheets. And you can also find a workspace that is to view all the uploaded spreadsheets. Then it is also possible to upload more documents to your module. So just click on upload and you can upload the documents. So if you want to upload a particular document to a workspace, just click on the workspace and you can upload it. So here you can choose the document and you can open it. And if you want to move a document to a different workspace, just select that workspace from here and you can just change the workspace from here. So you can move this bill to finance, and if you check the finance, you'll be able to see that document added. If you check configuration settings, you can find option that is for file centralization. So you can integrate these documents with human resources, product, project module, recruitment, accounting. So here we can centralize your employees' documents. Then we can mention the workspace. Then we can provide payroll workspace, and default tags can be set for payslips and contracts. So this way we can integrate documents, that is for these modules, to these modules. So if you take the case of accounting, accountants can preview their documents in their inbox. Okay, so coming back to our documents. Okay, now if you choose a document, you can see a lot of options here. That is, it is possible to download a document, or we can share this document, or replace with a different document. So when you click on this replace, you can upload a different document and replace this document with that. And we can also lock a document and split a document. So if a document consists of multiple pages, we can split it. Just click on this split, and here we can see all the pages that is in that document. So if this contains multiple pages, it is possible to split, validate the document, or ask request for validation, or set as 2021 this year contracts. Then we can create bill, create customer invoice, or create credit note. So you can see a lot of actions to perform for this document. So we can just click validate if you want to validate it directly. So you can see a tag has appeared here, that is, this document is validated. And you can see that validate option is removed from here. So in this way, again, you can perform different actions, like if you want to generate a bill from this document, you can do that. So you have to just click on this option, and if you click that, you can see we can create a document, that is a vendor bill from the document. So you can see you don't have enough credit to extract data from your invoice. So you can buy credits for that, or resend for digitalization. Okay, let me choose a different invoice and create a custom invoice. So with Odoo's artificial intelligence, fields are automatically filled in. And it is also possible to ask questions instantly. That is, here we have find option, log note, send message. So just click there, and here we can ask questions and send it. Okay, so and you can also find an option here, that is chatting. So we just click on open chatter, and there also we can send message or schedule activity or add log notes. Okay, and you can just close that also. And as we have created a draft entry, you can also find that here draft bill can be seen here. Then if you want to archive this, you can just click archive, and when you archive a document, you can see that it is removed from this documents, that is, it is added to archived list. So when you click on archive, you can see that document here, and just click on that, and you can restore it or delete it. So you can also filter the documents by my documents or my favorites, or PDF document, spreadsheet, locked, then documents with image or video. And we can also add these documents to dashboard or Google Spreadsheet to monitor it later, manage it later. And we also have got an option to sign documents, that is, don't waste time printing and scanning documents that someone has to sign. So instead, assign them to the right person and get them signed and have them sent directly back. So if you just open one workspace, so here we can find employee contract in our internal workspace. So just click that and you can find action, that is to sign this document. So just click on sign and you can see the document. So here we can add fields like signature, name, text, like that. We can add details, and directly from here it is possible to send, that is share with employee, or we can directly sign from here. So you can just click sign now and you can select the email address. And you can send, that is sign now. So if you click sign, you can just directly add a signature here. So just click on signature. Okay, so you can draw or auto generate a signature and adopt and sign. Okay, then here we can provide, okay, if you click this, automatically you can generate the name. Okay, so every details that you have added are given. Then after that you can validate and send the complete document. So for sign, that is, we have a different module in order to manage signatures, that is sign module. So we have done a separate video for that, you can check that. Okay, so you can see the signature has been saved. Then you can sign next document or view the document. Okay, so you can just click view document. So you can see that, and from here we can directly download document or we can just get certificate. Okay, so coming back to a document. So same way as we have generated vendor bills and invoices, we can create task, that is generate task from documents. So if you click projects, you can see here task. Okay, let me click internal and here we choose this. Here we can find option to create a task. You can just click on this and generate task and assign to colleagues. So here we can edit this. So you can see it's already assigned to Michelet. So if you want to change the document name, you can change from here and we can assign contact and owner for this document, and we can change the workspace or we can provide tags for this document. Okay, then now you can also find an option, that is to create spreadsheet. So when you click create spreadsheet, you can see some templates here. So you can choose one and generate a spreadsheet. So you can see a template here that we have seen in configuration. So you can just click that, choose that and create a new spreadsheet. So here we can add columns and here we have a lot of formatting options. You can make use of that and create a document. And as we have integrated this document with different modules, let me open one module, that is if I open accounting. We have different reporting for accounting. So when you choose invoice analysis, so here we have invoice analysis. So for this invoice analysis, we have a pivot view. So in Odoo 14, we have a new option, that is to insert this invoice analysis or insert our report in regular reports in spreadsheet. So either you can choose one existing spreadsheet and insert your data report to that spreadsheet, or you can create a new spreadsheet. So I am just creating a new spreadsheet. So here we can provide the spreadsheet name. Okay, let me invoice analysis 2020 and can save it. Okay, so when you come back to your documents, and you filter with this by spreadsheet, you can see that document spreadsheet is added here. So you can just click on that and view it here. Okay then. Then here we can find option to request. That is, we can request for a file. If you found that one file is missing in your database, you can just request for that file. So if missing an expense, we can just request add the person here. So we can send request to that person, and we can mention the workspace in which the document is missing, and we can set the due date in days, months or weeks. Then we can set tags and add the notes here and request for that file. Okay, so when you send request, you can see the requested document here, and it is possible to click and upload the file, that is the missing file. So it is easy to manage the lost files. Okay, then here we have an option to add link. So we can click then add URL and name of the link. Then here we can share files or folders with clients and let them import documents directly. So we can just click that, and here we can see the URL, and we can see the spreadsheet, shared spreadsheet. So as we are now in the spreadsheet workspace, we can share that. Okay, then here we can set the name of the shared link, and we can set validity of this, and it is possible to allow to download or download and upload document. So when you choose the second option, here we can find let us set default values for uploaded documents. We can plan activities, we can set honor and contact, and we can share it. So we have shared the spreadsheet. So with documents module, everything is where you need it, instantly available. So we can keep track of your documents, that is files, and never lose one. So they are all organized and stored in the same place, safe and secure. So that's all about documents module in Odoo 40.
If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, drop a request to odoo@cybrosys.com.